Happy learning! Today we're going to solve a problem involving inverses. Let f and g be the following functions. I'm not going to read them out. You could read them on your own. We want to show that f and g are inverses, and then we want to solve the equation f of x equals 1, 1, 0. So what vector gets sent to 1, 1, 0? Okay, so this isn't going to be too bad. Instead of treating f and g as functions, let's find the matrices for their transformations. So we'll let A be the matrix for f. And the way you get A is you just read off the coefficients from this vector here. So 5, -2, -1, 3, -1, -1, and -10, +4, and +3. And we'll let B be the matrix corresponding to G. So that's 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 2, and 2, 0, 1. Okay, and so to solve part 1, we just have to show that A times B is the identity matrix. So let's compute A times B. Okay, we'll just do the first couple of ones and you can verify the rest on your own. But how do you get the top left entry of A times B? You go across the row of A and down the column of B. So it's going to be 5 times 1 minus 2 times 1 minus 1 times 2. Okay, so that's 5 minus 2 minus 2. That's 1. Okay, and we'll do that for each row of A and column of B. So let's do the top row of A, second row of B, and then you could do the rest on your own. So 5 times 2 minus 2 times 5 minus 1 times 0. That's 10 minus 10, which is 0. And if we went through and verified the rest, we would get the identity matrix. Okay, so since A and B are inverses, their functions, their corresponding functions, are also inverses. So f and g are inverses. Okay, and now we want to solve f of x equals the vector 1, 1, 0. Well, the way we could get x by itself is just evaluating g to both sides, right? And f and g are inverses. So g composed with f just gives us x is equal to g of the vector 1, 1, 0. Subbing in 1, 1, 0 into g, we get 3, 6, 2. And you could check if we sub in 3, 6, 2 into f, we would get 1, 1, 0. Right? 15 minus 12 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 6 minus 2 is 1. And -30 plus 24 plus 6 is 0. So there you have it. Not too bad. So finding the inverse, right? If we weren't given g, how would we find this function for g? You would take the matrix for f, put the identity matrix next to it, and row reduce until you get reduced row echelon form. I'll put a link right there. Ooh, I think it's there. If you want to see an example of doing something similar. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.